English Spoken Course Day 2. Topic: Basic Sentence Structure and Daily Use Sentences. Lecture Objective. By the end of Day 2, students will be able to make correct English sentences, understand subject plus verb plus object (SVO), speak simple daily life English confidently. Part 1: Sentence Structure. Basic formula. Subject plus verb plus object. Examples: I eat food. She reads a book. They play cricket. We learn English. Speaking practice. Ask students to repeat aloud. I speak English. He watches TV. She cooks food. Part 2: Use of I am, you are, he is, she is. Structure. Subject plus am/is are. Examples: I am a student. You are my friend. He is a teacher. She is happy. We are ready. Practice. Students make 2 sentences about themselves. Part 3: Daily Use Sentences. Common English sentences. How are you? I am fine. What is your name? My name is underscore underscore underscore. Where are you from? I am from Pakistan. Nice to meet you. Thank you very much. Listening plus speaking. Teacher says right arrow. Students repeat. Part 4: Yes/no questions. Structure. Am/is/are plus subject. Examples: Are you a student? Is she your sister? Am I late? Are they ready? Practice activity. Students ask questions to each other. Part 5: Mini practice task. Ask students to speak. Your name, your city, your profession. 1 daily English sentence. Motivation speech. Great job! Today you learned how to make basic English sentences. Practice speaking daily, and I'll see you in Day 3. Keep learning, keep speaking.
I have 1K subs. Wait a minute. Is it because